This is the SunnyClip metal clipboard with storage. It's made of aluminum and it's self-latching, and it measures 14 inches by 9.5. So you can see you could just put papers here, of course, you know, just have a writing pad, anything like that. And inside you can keep things such as an invoice book and a sales order book, stuff like that, and take out what you need. There's some storage here for pens and pencils as well. Clamp holds nice and tight. You know, it's a nice sturdy thing. A little squeaky, but that's alright. It even has little feet on the bottom there, on the bottom edge, so it won't mar up surfaces. Like I said, it is self-latching. You just close it and it latches itself. And I really like that it's aluminum, because I've had many plastic and melamine clipboards over the years, and the back plate of it has just cracked over the years, and that's the end of the clipboard. So this one looks like it'll hold up for some time. Once again, this was the SunnyClip metal clipboard with storage. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.